Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mashrika. So today I'm going to film a tour of my living room in my apartment. Walking through the door, this is the dining area, our living room. So right by the dining table is this shelf with everything my mom has collected over the years. This section right here represents Bangladesh. So there is a little bird nest, this instrument, a farmer's hat, a hookah that they use in the village, a palki, a boat, and a rickshaw. My mom loves collecting little tea sets, so all of these are collected from like different places we've gone to over like the last 20 years. I believe this one's from Pennsylvania, this one's from Pennsylvania, and this one's from Pennsylvania. This one's from Niagara Falls. This one, I don't know. This one's from Bangladesh, this one's from Bangladesh, this one's from Amish County. My mom's nickname is Molly, so she's able to find everything with her name on it. That one's from Vermont. A lot of these are from like antique shops and thrift shops. New Jersey. Those are from Amish County. A lot of these are from like yard sales. On to the next row. I believe these are from Amish Village as well. I know some of these are from like North Carolina and like other places that we've been to, but I'm not 100% sure. These two I got as presents. Now on to the next row. I would say this is from Amish Village too. A lot of these, or they've been thrifted. Oh, there we go, one from South Carolina. This in the back is actually a candle. Some of these pieces we've had forever. Oh, this is from Rhode Island. That's from Lake George. I know we've had this forever because it's literally in my first birthday video. Okay, so on to the next and last row. I personally don't know where a lot of these things are from, but they're either from antique shops or like yard sales. And some of these things are like really old. Look at the artwork on this piece. How pretty is it? I believe this one's really old. I think she got this from Rhode Island too. Made in England. This is our dining table. That candle holder and candle stand is from Michael's. Some plants from Home Depot. That is from, I don't know. But we have this like kind of vintage drawer right here. Closet. A little rocking chair and a little lantern. Okay, so this section right here is probably one of my favorite sections of the house. This mirror, I believe, is from Michael's. This painting or piece of art is from a thrift shop. Those pieces are from Amish County. A lot of them are like really old pieces, like they're all textured. Oh, and there's the artist's name on it, but I can't read it. So a lot of times I'll actually look up the pieces that she gets just so I can find out what year it's from, just out of curiosity. And or they're from like different countries, and I don't know, it's just interesting to me. So this is antique as well. Oh yes, that's antique as well. These drawers itself is antique. And this is an antique ottoman. There's storage inside it. I really like the little legs. It's really cute. This plate is really pretty as well. Which you got from Michael's, by the way. They have really nice stands for like plates or whatever. So this vintage bowl plate thing has these cute little legs. It's made in Germany. And this little vase on top is from Holland. I will get to that section in a minute. But now I wanted to get to this side of the room. So that's a little umbrella hanging on the wall. I don't know where my mom got it from, but it's really cute. We've had this since forever. If you can't have the best of everything, make the best of everything you have. And there's little Mickey Mouse on it. This lamp is like really dainty and cute. Plant, because plants are great. Okay, so this blue piece right over here is from Raymer and Flanigan. This piece was a gift from my mom's best friend. This piece right here, I don't know, but she really goes to a lot of like antique shops and thrift shops to find antiques. Some mom's book. Oh, this shelf itself, she got it off of like a yard sale, and she spray painted it black. I believe this one's from Marshall's and that one's from Marshall's as well. But yeah, I really like these pieces a lot just because of like the artwork, and you don't see these in IKEA. Like, how cute is this? I don't know where this is from. I really like how my mom, like, she spends her time on like decorating the house and like repurposing things. Our sofa is from Raymer and Flanigan. Those are from IKEA. You have probably seen it in like multiple people's houses. Those are from Marshall's, Michael's, I believe. Enjoy the little things. And Mom, because yeah, she's appreciated. Here are some more pieces. I'm not sure where they're from, but we've had them for a very long time. The rickshaws from Bangladesh. Bamboos, like, they were not that big when we first got them. They've grown so beautiful. This little section right here. So the candle stands are from our last road trip to Rhode Island. Candles are from Marshall's. I believe this vase right here in the back is from Raymer and Flanigan. Yeah. These two pieces right here are from Marshall's. We've had them forever. The table my mom got. We've had these seats for a very long time. They're from IKEA. So actually the cover was different. It was just beige, but as you can see, there's like little designs on it. So my mom bought fabric and got them made. So they're custom made covers, and the pillows are from Marshalls. My mom's in the back telling me where things are from. So now on to the next section. That light up there is from IKEA. We had another light up there from IKEA, but we recently just got this one. I really like how our apartment has like the border panel for curtains. More plants, because plants are great. A lamp. The set of those three are from Raymour & Flanigan. This is from an antique shop. This is antique as well. More plants. Go to Home Depot, guys. That table is from IKEA. So we used to have another one of the black ones. This piece right here is from a yard sale. It was kind of pricey, but my mom doesn't care as long as she likes it. And the stand itself is from Marshalls. So here's our TV stand. The stand itself is from IKEA. That piece up there is from Amish Village. The shop over there, if you go, they have like really nice hand-painted pieces. That's hand-painted and it's super pretty. That piece right there is from Dubai. Some of my mom's books, an album. The blue piece is from Raymour & Flanigan. We literally have this up forever. Some more albums, good books, and I absolutely love this piece. The texture and artwork on it is so beautiful. That was from an antique shop as well. More little cute pieces. Those baskets are from IKEA. The chair, thrifted. This vase right here, I believe, is from Marshalls. These little pieces, I believe she's thrifted them. Look at the artwork on them, like how cute. This green piece right here, I think it's also from Marshalls. Some of her other books. My mom likes reading a lot of books. Okay, that is upside down. But it's a little plate from Montreal, Canada. So we recently just got our ceiling painted, so you know, don't mind. But yes, these are some of the other pieces that we have. That's just a basic piece from Marshalls, so yes, it belongs down there. And yeah. Now onto our center table. It's just a black table from IKEA. I believe the table runner is from Marshalls. Right, it's from Marshalls. And the basket, I believe, is also from Marshalls. The candle stands also from Marshalls? No? Where's it from? Oh, the candle stands are from Home Goods. The candles, always Marshalls. No, I mean Michaels. This, I believe, is an antique piece. I don't know what year it's from. This piece right here is an antique as well. I think all of them are, honestly. And that stand bought separately. This is really pretty. I don't know where it's from. Might be. Let's find out. I actually want to know. It doesn't say, but it doesn't say, but the artwork is like really beautiful. And yeah. those right there. These candle stands are really pretty. So I went to the Met Broyer, and I saw similar candle stands just like this, similar design as well, and they were like $300 each piece. And these ones, I believe they were like $25 for each of them. Candles, again, from Michaels. If you want pretty candles, always go to Michaels. Another bamboo and another little vase. This piece right here is from Marshall's. Got a little paint on it while the ceiling was being painted. So this shelf is from IKEA. All of my sisters and some of my books as well. That box, I believe, is from Marshall's as well. So this boat right here is from Bangladesh. This candle stand, Michaels, Ashland candle from Michaels. This sake set is from Pennsylvania. We've had it for like so many years now. This I actually thrifted for my mom. We've had that photo stand like forever now. From Lake George. This is one of my favorite pieces from the antique shop. How pretty is it? This vase also from the antique shop. Basket from IKEA. Came in like a set of 3. This vase right here from Marshall's. Some more over here. That piece in the back. The stand is from the antique store as well. That's an antique as well. This is from Bangladesh. This is from an antique store in Pennsylvania. My dad got from my mom. It's just a crystal candle stand. And this is probably one of my favorite pieces. This painting is antique and I really love it. You can literally like see all the paint textures on it.